how to say how are you in your language, or how to communicate to a Nuer person. How are you mean male, male. I am fine, malmigwa, malmigwa. How are you, male? I am fine, malmigwa. Good morning, male karunwang. Good morning, male karunwang. Good afternoon, male kashengder. Good afternoon, male kashengder. Good night, Nini Kamal. Nini Kamal, you say it when you are communicating to a one person, like it is in form of singular pronouns. When you are directing your message to many, so let me give indication here. I will put okay, Male, okay, wait, okay, Male, Nini Kamal, okay. Let me put this in the middle. I will put singular. When you are saying good night to many people, like plural form, we are going to put Niene Kamal here. Niene Kamal. This is plural. The first one, Niene Kamal, it is singular, and this one is plural. Good morning, Male Kunwang. Good afternoon, Male Kashangda. Good night, Niene Kamal, when it is singular, but when it is plural, you say Niene Kamal. Good morning, Male Kurunwang. Good afternoon, Male Kashangda. Good night, Niene Kamal, singular, Niene Kamal, plural. These are the basics. How you can say how are you in Nuer language. How are you? Male, male, male. Let me give you how to pronounce it. Ma, like here you can see ma le. Okay, something like that. This is when you want to pronounce it. Male. Okay, male. Male mean how are you? How are you? I am fine, malmigwa. You can say it mal mi gua. Okay, I think this is easy way of how to pronounce it. Male. How are you? Male. I am fine, mal mi gua. Mal mi gua. The same thing. Good morning, Male Karunwang. Good afternoon, Male Kashangdar. Good night, Nene Kamal or Nena Kamal. So please share it with anyone who would like to learn how to say how are you in Nuer language or in Tognas. Let me meet in the next lesson. Bye bye. Biata Kamal.